everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to guide you through how to play Among Us game. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. First of all, download Among Us on your device, and once you do that, simply tap it open. In order to start playing the game, tap on I understand to the privacy policy of the game. Now, wait for it to load. On the next page, you'll need to enter your birthday information. Go and select your year, day, and month from the drop-down and tap on OK. Now, in order to play the game, you can play Among Us by signing into your account, continuing as a guest, or you can even play it offline. In today's video, let us sign into our account by tapping on the sign in button. Now, you'll need to grant Among Us permission to create, edit, and delete your Google Play Games activity by tapping on Allow. Now go ahead and confirm your choices by tapping on Allow one more time. If you are logged into your Google account, there should be no problem signing into Among Us. You've successfully signed into your account. Now tap on Close the box. Now you can go ahead and tap on How to Play. Go through the instructions in order to play the game. You can see that it is instructing you to how to use and play the game with the help of your joystick or your touch screen. Go through all the information, what it has to say, and you'll be able to play the game in no time. You can either play it online or you can go to the free play option and play it freely. Choose the options, and that way you'll be able to play Among Us game easily. Complete the task given to you at the upper left corner and enjoy. That is how you can easily play Among Us on your Android device. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.